My topic is semiconductor lasers for medical applications. Lasers. Laser is an acronym for light amplification by simulated emission of radiation. Laser is a device that amplifies the intensity of light and produces a highly directional, monochromatic coherent light which is used as light source for various optical and electronic devices. Lasers abbreviation. Laser stands for light amplification by simulated emission of radiation. Types of lasers. According to the active materials, solid state, liquid, gas, semiconductors layers. According to wavelength, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, or X-ray lasers. Semiconductor layers. Semiconductor layers is one of the most important type of laser with its very important application in fiber optic communication. These lasers use semiconductor as the lasing medium and are characterized by the specific advantages such as the capability of direct modulation in small size and low cost. Semiconductor diagram. Semiconductor laser diagram. P type, N type. In between there is a junction. Output. Applications of lasers in medicine and beauty therapy. Surgical laser, removing tumors, making incisions. Cosmetic laser, removal of birthmarks, age spots, spider webs, hair and tattoos. Ophthalmology, repairing retina, inner eye surgery in removing cataract, coherent nearsightedness. Laser repairing retina. Diabetic retinopathy, which leads to blindness, is characterized by excessive growth of blood vessels in retina. An organ laser can be focused on to the blood vessels to stop the bleeding and then on to other area of the retina. Laser removal of port white stain. Port white stains can be treated with the lasers. Excess blood vessels just under the outer layer of the skin absorbs yellow laser light which destroys the red vessels. Because the beam is delivered in brief pulses, other tissue is undamaged. Laser skin rejuvenation. Laser skin is a rejuvenation is a skin resurfacing procedure that uses a laser to improve the appearance of the skin. Sun damaged skin, scars caused by the acne, chickenpox or injuries. This treatment also decreases the appearance of fine lines around the eyes, mouth and cheeks. Thank you.